Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add your business location on Instagram. Let's get started. So to begin, open any web browser. As for me, I'm using Safari for this demo. And simply go to Google Maps, maps.google.com. And since I do have Google Maps on my phone, I'm just gonna open that app for convenience, but you're very free to do this in the web browser as well. So yeah, once you're on Google Maps, just locate the business location that you want to add to your Instagram profile. Just click on the desired location, and if you drag the options to the left, you'll find the share option and tap on that. And then just select copy. Now, go to your Instagram app. Go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click Edit Profile. Then select Links. Select Add External Link and then just paste the copied URL into the field provided. You may also give it a title. And once you're done, just click Done. Now, once you go back to your profile, you'll notice that you now have a clickable link leading to your business location. And that's how easy it is to add your business location on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!